to know when will you get result from a certain planet or from a certain house, there are various kinds of combination and rules. Saturn takes a certain period, Jupiter takes a certain period to give returns, and every planet is associated with a certain cycle of movements according to their speed and the time they spend in one house when they start giving you the results. If you want to see the results of Rahu's depositors or the lord of the houses where Rahu is placed, I give you one rule out of it. Take a look where Rahu is placed in your chart. Then lord of that house, just take a look where that lord of that house is placed. Say for example, Rahu is in the first house of Sagittarius. That means lord is Jupiter, and for example Jupiter is placed in the second house. That means depositor of the Rahus is Jupiter. So Jupiter is placed in the second house. So results of Jupiter or of the second house will start coming at the age of 36 or 36.5. How it's calculated? Rahu takes around 18 months in one house. It always moves in retrograde motion. It never gets combus, it never gets straight. So it's 18 months for one house. 18 months calculated or multiplied into 12 houses makes 9 years. So when Rahu takes full 4 circles, the depositor gets mature enough to give the results. So 36, but I am saying 36 or 36.5, keeping in mind Adhik Mas or leap year, which we call in English, where we have certain extra days also with us. Just keeping that in mind, 36 or 36.5 years. So Jupiter will start giving results at 36.5 in my example what I stated. That means the person will start accumulating wealth, because I said Jupiter in the second house, from the age of 36.5. Another example I give you, say Rahu is in the 9th house and it's a Saturn's house, and Saturn is placed in the 12th house. That means the person will go out of country or shift out of the place of birth and settle somewhere at the age of 36 or 36.5. That's the easy way to calculate it. Try to formulate this rule onto the charts or samples you have and try to check how well this rule fits out there, and just let me know by messaging or DM how this rule is working for you.